people love their king.
They know I saved the city. They know I won the war.
The war's not won.
Run from the light.
It's tempting to see your enemies as evil. But there's good and evil on both sides in every war ever fought.
Deep in the water.
They have a choice. They can live in my new world, or they can die in their old one.
Things are a bit tense right now.
I don't think I'm talking my way out of this one.
If the wildlings breach the wall, they'll roll over everything and everyone.
Given the opportunity, what do we do to those who've hurt the ones we love? I want to know which side you're on.
Tell your father I'm here, and tell him the Lannisters aren't the only ones who pay their debts.
You'll fight over him like beasts until you tear him apart. I will burn our house to the ground before I let that happen.
Tonight, we fight!
There's only one hell. The one we live in now.